Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the dollar CAD, based on structure, the trend is definitely still up. This is our structure level. It made a swing low, made a new swing high, and then we've been trading in between there. So this move down right here could still possibly just be a pullback within an uptrend. But we do need to pay very close attention to these fib levels on shorter time frames to see if we can identify the end of a pullback. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like it could be making some sort of an ABC pullback. This could be an A, this could be like an expanding wave B, this could be a wave C. Definitely got a nice 61% fib bounce. Unfortunately, there's really not much of a break of structure. So what I would like to see is like a real significant higher low, or which would be even better is if it went down, make like a double bottom and then went up and broke structure. That would definitely help me identify the end of this pullback and hopefully the continuation of the uptrend. I am definitely still, at least for now, very bullish on the dollar index, and I think there is a chance that this right here could just be a pullback on the daily time frame. So we definitely want to pay attention for more possible long opportunities. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.